Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your exact device model and current build. This matters because only matching firmware will install. Once done, backup apps and data. Updates can fail. Make sure the battery is above 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi to avoid corrupted downloads. If you plan a manual update, enable USB debugging and install the phone's OEM drivers on your computer. This ensures the PC can communicate with the device and flash tools will work correctly. If an official OTA appears in settings, right arrow about, download and follow prompts. That's safest. If not, download the exact stock ROM or OTA package for your precise model from a trusted source and verify the file checksum to prevent bricking. This step prevents mismatched installs. Next, set up the correct flash method, stock recovery for update. Zip, Odin for compatible Samsung devices, or Fastboot for many others. Make sure you understand whether a bootloader unlock is required, because unlocking wipes data and changes warranty status. Execute the install. For OTA, tap Install and wait. For manual flashes, follow the recovery or flash tool sequence step by step and never disconnect mid-process. Once flashing completes, reboot the device and allow first boot. Initial optimization can take several minutes. Then restore your backups and verify the Android version in about. If something goes wrong, like a boot loop, boot into recovery, clear the cache partition first, and if that fails, reflash the correct stock ROM. This most often resolves mismatches or corrupted installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.